Alright, hello all my YouTube friends and friends and family, the big 7 subscribers that I do have. Hopefully that number will go up here soon. Anyways, I'm here today. We're getting ready to put a pre-framed exterior door in. The really bad part about these doors is they come apart very, very easy. When you buy these things and before you even put them in, man, always get some construction adhesive and kind of pop the door apart just a little bit. You don't want to do it all the way, obviously. If you look up here, you can see kind of a crack between the frame and the trim. Just pop it up enough to, you know, get it apart to get some construction adhesive down in there, you know, sort of like this, and then just tool it in with your finger or a wet sponge. All right, obviously you always want door shims, a speed square, a level, you know, of course, a screw gun. These are speed square. I prefer to use galvanized screws. You know, sometimes a sledgehammer is good to have around just in case. You know, you can use deck screws. They don't have to be galvanized, but they do have to be, you know, weather resistant for an exterior door. After installation, you need to go around the door, inspect for gaps. There you can use expansion foam. Now keep in mind, when you do use expansion foam, it expands. They have medium expansion, low expansion, or high expansion foam. I would go with a medium, because if you use a high expansion, it'll close up your door frame and then you won't be able to shut the door. Alright, something else I wanted to do with this door is I wanted to add a piece of flat steel to it, which I can do later. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to pop the whole side of the door loose where the door handle and strike is for the locks. You would actually pop this off there, put some, heck, it could be eighth inch steel stock, you know, 8x4, whatever the width is here. I'm not really sure right offhand. But you would put that on the inside of that piece, you know, drill your hole in your steel, what you would have for your lock. That way, if somebody tries to kick your door in, that door is not going to get kicked in. I can always come back and add to that, possibly. I kind of doubt it. That way you would, you know, because you really can't pop this pre-hung door apart once you got it, you know, rigid into the door frame. But like I said, I always put construction adhesive in there, and then I always paint the bare wood. You can use a Zinsser primer, mold exterior resistant primer, because, you know, as we all know, or a lot of us know, the door will get weathered and start mildewing, and it also, you know, when painting it will also help protect the door frame. Alright, if you have to do any framework at all, reframing for the door, I always buy pressure treated lumber, because it is for an exterior door. Interior doors, what have not, you don't really have to use pressure treated wood. Not that much of a difference in price, but that's how you're supposed to do things. Alright, thank you, YouTube. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.